Hello, Rowan family, and welcome to our Towel Animals program, sponsored by RAH. My name is Jay Patel. I'm the Assistant Director for Rowan After Hours and Student Recognition, and I have my trusted partner here, Hannah, to show you the great things that we're doing today at this program.
Hi, I'm Hannah Spronz. I am a senior here at Rowan, and I am the Student DIY Coordinator here at Rowan After Hours, and I'm here today to show you how to fold some cute little towel animals. Let's have some fun.
Cool, super awesome. I just want to give you a heads up that we're not the only virtual program happening over the summer at Rowan's offering. The SCCA is offering tons of virtual options. Please go check out go.rowan.edu/virtual fun to see all of our virtual options. Also, we'll also be having a RAH bingo that's in August, so come check that out. You can go check that out on Proflinks to sign up. Also, please follow us on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, at Rowan SCCA. And also all this information is going to be put into the description of this program. So, no point in waiting now. I'm going to pass it over to Hannah. Let's get started on making some cool towel animals.
All right. So the first towel animal I'm going to teach you how to make today is just a monkey. You're going to need a hand towel and 3 rubber bands to do this one.
Can I use anything else besides a rubber band? Can I use like a hair tie or something?
A hair tie should work.
Okay, let's see.
So get your towel and lay it out flat. And then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to roll both sides in so they meet in the middle. And then take that and flip it over, put it face down. And then here's the hard part. You're gonna fold it in half, but you're gonna flip this, the upper part, so that when you flip it over again, the rolls, all 4 rolls are on top. So it'll look kind of like this.
Well, I'm just gonna wing this one and see what happens.
Good luck. And then you're going to take your first rubber band and you're going to make the monkey's head with it.
Okay.
And make sure you leave enough room to make ears out of your monkey head later. And pull the head out a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. And then you kind of have like a little ghost doll, it kind of looks like.
Oh, I think
and then
right.
Yeah. And then you take your second and third rubber bands and you're going to tie them around and make little monkey ears on the sides of the head.
Oh, monkey's going to have really small ears. Oh my gosh. Hannah.
Yeah?
Did you know that there's 264 known species of monkeys?
That's a lot of monkeys.
This would be 265.
I guess so.
Towel monkeys.
So my rubber bands are a little bit shot, so the ears aren't the greatest, but he has ears. And then you just sit him up, and he's got little arms and legs. You got a monkey. Put some googly eyes on there if you have them. There you go. So the next one we're going to make is an elephant. And for this one, you need a hand towel and a regular bath towel. So we're going to start with the hand towel, and you spread it out just like you did with the monkey. And then you're going to roll it from the corner so that you kind of get like a diagonal roll a little bit, and you're going to do that on both sides.
So roll that to the middle?
Yeah, there's going to be like a little bit of a gap, like you see mine's kind of a V.
Okay.
I'll let you catch up, Jay.
You know...
All right, and then you flip it over.
This is the best you're going to do. This is the best I'm going to do here. Do I flip it? Okay, I'm flipping. Okay.
Flip it over, and then you see how you kind of have 2 things sticking up and you have the towel right here? You're going to take this and fold it down to get the elephant's face and ears. And then you'll kind of roll it. Yeah, you did it! And then you roll up the bottom and let it go, and you have a trunk. And we're going to put this aside for now. And then take out your back towel, spread that out.
Hold on, let me get this ready. Did you know elephants are the world's largest land mammal? I think that's pretty awesome.
That is cool. All right. You have your towel?
Yeah, I got my towel.
All right. So first things first, you're going to take the edge and with the long edge and fold it in part way on both sides. Not all the way. You do not want them to meet in the middle this time.
Okay.
Just part way. All right. And then what you're going to do is from each side, you're going to roll, and this time you're going to meet in the middle, like this.
Look at this.
So you'll have this.
Yep, I'm there.
And then you're going to fold that.
Uh-huh.
And kind of stand it up then, and press it down a little bit, flatten it. And then you're going to take it from earlier and put it on top, and you have an elephant.
Shut the front door. Did I really just do this? Oh my gosh. This is the first time I've ever making anything towel-like in my life, and I feel like I could work for a cruise ship. This is awesome.
There you go. New career path.
I know, that's it. Rowan, watch out now. We're going to be at the VOI station. We return back to camp.
All right, so the next one we're going to make is a turtle, and you're going to need a bath towel, a hand towel, and a washcloth for this one. And the first thing you're going to do is take your bath towel and lay it out so that the long part goes towards you, like this. And then, just like we've done so many times before, you're going to roll so that these meet in the center.
Hannah.
Yeah?
Did you know that turtles are 220 million years old?
That's crazy.
Yeah, like some person, I don't know, don't ask me their name, found fossil from turtles from about 220 million years ago during the Triassic period. So I would say turtles are pretty old.
Yeah, and they're still kicking.
Yep.
And then you're going to flip this over and then fold it in thirds like this. And then flip it over again. And then here's where the magic happens. You're going to take these and pull them apart, and you've got a shell.
What? Yeah, this is like magic to me right now. Oh my gosh.
Cool, right?
Look at this.
Okay.
I feel like I'm telling you, I'm gonna work for Norwegian. I'm telling you.
New skills, great. So then you're gonna push this aside for now, and the next thing you're gonna do is take your hand towel and you're gonna roll it in again.
Mm-hmm.
And fold it in half. So you have 4 rolls touching each other. And you're gonna pull them out a little bit like this.
You gotta let me catch up here. So I roll them in and then fold them, you said?
Yes, fold them right in half.
Like that, and then I do the, okay.
And then
I think I got
you
it.
have this, and you kind of hold the centers a little bit so they stick out just a little bit more.
Are these their feet?
This is the feet, yeah.
Ooh,
And
look
then
at this.
you're gonna take each side and you're gonna pull it apart a little bit so you have legs. But you're gonna do it so that, like, one hand you get opposite sides. And pull it apart. And it's a little difficult, but you'll get legs. And it's just make kind of an X.
I can't do that.
You put your shell on top of it.
You know what? I'm just gonna, do one of these, like this. I'll just, there we go.
That's great. There you go. And then
you lost me on that last part.
Then you take your washcloth and you're gonna fold that into a triangle.
Okay.
And then you're gonna fold the corners so that they meet at the triangle's point, and you have a square again. So it's like this.
Oh, okay. Oof. All right, I'm sweating now. All right, definitely messed this
And then, do you want me to do it again? You do the triangle like this.
Okay.
Then either side you pull in.
Got it.
You got it? All right. And you want the point where you want it facing this direction so that the bottom of this is towards you.
Okay.
All right. And then you're going to take this and you're going to kind of roll it in on either side. And you flip it over. And then you take your turtle. And now he has a little head. And you've got a turtle.
What? I have a leg with no legs. I have a turtle with no legs. That's kind of cool. Oh my god, look at you. Hannah and myself would like to thank you for joining us today to make a really cool towel animals. We hope you had fun. Make sure you follow us on social media on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Rowan SCCA. Our Towel Animal program is not our only summer programming option. Check out all of our summer programs out at go.rowan.edu/virtual fun. And from the RAH team, we say, see you soon.